I'm back. I'm not really sure how I feel about this lighting, but this will have to do. Anyways, today I'm showing you guys how to fix your attention span, especially now that school's back and we're gonna have to be studying, like how to, stay focused and fix your attention span. So let's get into it. Okay, number one, limit distractions. I came a little closer, as you can see, because I felt like I was too far away. But yeah, limit distractions. A tool you can use is headphones. I already talked about this headphones on my channel. They work really well. They're very noise canceling. I made a video about them if you can scroll down to my channel. But yeah, just like to cancel noise. I feel like your surroundings can be very distracting. So canceling that out can really help you focus. Just even distractions or TikTok or just social media, just turn off your phone for a while and just focus on what you need to focus on. So yeah. Okay, number two, create a routine. My routine specifically is that I come home from school, I take a couple hours to rest, and then I literally just spend the rest of the day studying. And of course I take breaks. I feel like you should take breaks while studying because it can be a lot just studying for hours. But yeah, basically I just study for the rest of the day. So yeah, creating a routine can help you repeat it and help you focus and only pay your attention to that. And yeah. Okay, number three, stop multitasking. If you're studying, for example, just focus on one subject at a time. That's what I do, because I feel if you're doing math and then you're doing English work, it can be very confusing to focus on which one. So just stop multitasking and just focus on one thing at a time. And yeah, just stop multitasking. Okay, number three, set goals. I feel I'm someone that if I don't finish all my goals, I just go crazy. I feel setting goals can help you be set your head on one thing and help you just stay focused on that one thing. I have a bunch of goals. One of my main goals is to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, which I think might happen because right now we're currently at 911 subscribers, which is crazy. But yeah, just set goals. It can really help you stay focused. Okay, I made a mistake. The last one was number 4, but this is number 5, the last one. Use music. And what I mean by use music is not listen to your favorite song, because that can be very distracting. There's a bunch of times where I got lost in the music while studying, but just listen to instrumental, piano is really good. It really helps me think. I love listening to piano or just calm music. A lot of people listen to white noise or brown noise. I feel that helps you focus. So yeah, just listen to calm music. It really helps you put your head in the game. And yeah. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you found it helpful. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're new and keep up for new videos every weekend.